And in that cage we have a rescued bird. It's been there only about 12 hours, but I think it now has sufficiently recovered enough. Oops, let me back up so it doesn't hurt itself. Yeah, it's kind of panicked. Yeah, but I think it's sufficiently recovered here enough to finally release. Yeah, it wasn't nearly this frisky last night. It just couldn't fly at all last night, and I believe today it'll be good. Yeah, that's a little better shot of it. It actually has a little bit of the bird seed I put down for it. And this is the same type that comes to the bird feeder in front all the time. However, it got caught at night, so I doubt if it was out there at the feeder at night. Hello, little birdie bird. Yeah. It was not eating last night when I went to bed. And now it's eating. Isn't it, Cece? Isn't it, Carly? Yep. Gonna take her out and release it. See what happens. I'm just going to carry the whole cage out and lift the top of the cage up. It's going to be exciting, isn't it, Susie? Yeah? You going to watch it? You're not going to be able to catch it. I won't let you. Uh-oh. I missed that jump. It's raining out here, and there's my bird right there. Okay. Alright, birdie bird. Good looking bird, and let's see what we got now. Fly, little birdie. Come on. You gonna fly? I think you're able to. I think you're able to. Come on. My camera's getting wet. You need to fly. I wasn't going to release him this early in the morning, but he was bouncing around so much I thought he was going to hurt himself. Okay. Come on. Oh, he just went right through the he just went right through the thing. Alright. You gonna fly? Can you not fly yet? Oh, you better fly. I'm gonna have to get you and put you back in the cage if you don't fly. Come on. Oh, crap. This is not going to work. You're not going to fly? You need to fly. You really do. You're not going to fly for me? Are you not going to fly for me? Well, I thought you could fly. No, no, Susie. Susie. Okay. I tried. I thought you could fly. Thought you could fly, little birdie. Alright. Back inside you go then. If you can't fly, you're going to have to wait another day. Hear me. Well, he jumped. He's learned that he can go right through the cage holes. That's not good. Okay, pretty sure he can't go through these cage holes here, so there he is. He's in pretty good shape. A little wet. Susie scared him a little. And it's bigger from left to right, but I don't know, overall square inch is probably about the same. And there he is. He's in good shape. He's back there taking it easy. I'll give him some food and water here. Seemed like he was eating some of the seed there this morning, so that's good. He's definitely gonna make it if he'll just behave himself and not hurt himself. I know you can't hardly see him because I don't have my... So there is the current setup, guys. You got a little bit of water, a little bit of seed, and there he is. And I'm going to put some cardboard over the front of this, or else he's going to pop through one of them holes. Okay, I decided to put the cardboard on the inside of the thing there so he wouldn't partially get through a hole and get hung up. Of course, he has plenty of holes on the inside of this. Let's open it up and take a look at him back there. Well, my flashlight seems to have taken out, but trust me, he's back there. And he was eating, so I'll check him out in a few hours and give him a little more water. I didn't get much water in there. So, that's it. Here I am. I know I hadn't made a video lately, but I just hadn't had the inspiration, number one. I had to go to the doctor and get an MRI on my shoulder, and I don't have a rotator cuff problem, but I've got biceps tendonitis, which actually did show up on the MRI. Alright, so I can't be lifting much heavy stuff like bird cages and stuff. Yikes. Okay, bye everybody.